Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the lighting, but I am doing this literally as I have just walked in the door from Trader Joe's and picked up my food for the week. So I just want to show you what that is because a lot of you are asking. Huge news, guys, huge. So here's the deal. So I have been training for this competition since December 11th, have made some great progress with a fantastic coach. And I have decided now to move on to a different coach. Nothing wrong with my previous one. She's amazing. She got me on the road to this thing, but now it's time to really get into the heart of nutrition. So I have a professional. I will give you all her credentials. Her name is Susie Fuller. Look her up online. She is top of the top, best of the best. And it's just time for me to evolve into really getting to the nitty-gritty of this competition training. So with the training program that I'm doing with Susie now, she has created a personal meal plan for me that will be tweaked up every 2 weeks. No more going 6 weeks with the same meals. So I'm excited about that, and I'm going to show you exactly what I got, and you will see what I will be eating for the week. And then if you like this video, comment below, and maybe I'll do some meal prep videos to show you exactly what I'm cooking. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Here we go. So for my protein this week and next week, I will be eating a lot of organic free-range chicken breast. Got myself a couple packets here. And 99% fat-free ground turkey breast. We'll be having sweet potato. We'll be having red onion. Lots of green zucchini and yellow squash. Check it out. Mountains. Some pico. This is from Trader Joe's. It's the only one that I could find that had the least amount of sodium, but I'm still on the hunt for one with none in it. Just some tomato, cilantro, and lime, but this is what I found today. Some grapefruit, some fresh grated Parmesan from Trader Joe's, 2 bags of raw almonds, cream of rice, a couple bags of organic spinach, and this thing, guys, is awesome. This is called Naturally More peanut butter. It has flax in it, and macros for this are awesome. This will be added to a protein shake after my workouts. So I've got 2 of those and 2 big things of eggs for a recipe that I'm going to be making. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. It's pretty well balanced and maybe not so exciting, but with some of the recipes that I'm going to be using this food for, it should be a really good week. So short but sweet. That's the week of food. Like I said, comment below if you want to see some of the recipes. Have some really good ones that I'm going to be making, and super excited. So with this new training program and diet, I will be checking in with my coach pretty much several times during the week, and then every 2 weeks everything gets tweaked up. We do pictures, we do measurements, we do the whole 9 yards. Getting closer to picking a show date, and I'll keep you updated on that. But like I said before, I will not step on that stage until number 1, I am totally ready, and number 2, until my coach thinks I'm ready, and it will be a combined effort because there's no way that's gonna happen unless I'm ready. So it's coming. Anyway, Jess is over there. He's making me laugh. That's who I keep looking at. Hey, and also thank you so much for all your wishes and thoughts and prayers for him, because if you didn't know, he was in the hospital during the week. Everything's good. He's feeling better. He's home. Following up with a GI doc, but all the cardiac stuff was negative. So thank you, God, and thank you for all of you. I can't even tell you. If I had to count every message, text, email, comment, everything, it would be literally over 1,000, and I, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it, and I know he does too. So thank you guys for that. All right, have a great week. Stay focused, and comment below. Tell me if you want to see the recipes. Tell me if you like the grocery hauls. I'll make more, whatever you want to see. All right, peace out, guys.